Acer Aspire 7 A717-72G, a powerhouse of performance and reliability. As Acer's Aspire series has long been the walkway of power and reliability, and the Aspire 7 A717-72G aims to retain the legacy. The Acer Aspire 7 A717-72G is a powerful contender among the most affordable and efficient laptops currently available on the market. Catering to the needs of gamers, content creators, and professionals in the same manner, the laptop is designed to become a hallmark of excellence performance. Doesn't matter if you're a gamer, a creative professional, or a multitasking freak who often needs to utilize some demanding and heavy applications, this laptop guarantees to be a dynamic solution for a range of needs and requirements. The device focuses more on storage with a 1TB HDD and a 256GB SSD to deliver sufficient space to users to store a huge amount of data, and when coupled with 16GB of RAM, it ensures unmatched processing and fast response times. Manufactured by Acer, the Acer Aspire 7 A717-72G features a 17.3-inch Full HD screen, an Intel Core i7 processor, and a GeForce GTX 1060 graphic card to deliver a finely tuned, crispy display.